Production.
Yo, what's poppin'? Let's take a look at Palantir Technologies here. I think we got a sweet setup that's going on behind the scenes. I know a lot of my page is crypto related stocks, but I want to bring this one up as well because the setup here is looking mint. So from a broader perspective, first thing I see off rip is we've got this massive inverse head and shoulders potentially setting up right now, where we have our left shoulder here, we have our head, and now we have our right shoulder developing, right? And this completes the inverse head and shoulders, okay? This is a clean setup. So if we're looking at this from the lows, right, let's delete all that. That's the main setup here, and how we could play that is we look from the bottom to the top. Let's get this marked out. From the very bottom to the top, something like this, and we expect that as the breakout here, right? So it might take a lot longer to develop once we break up above this range, because there's obviously a bunch of supply around probably $35 to $40, but longer term, that's the outlook here. It's established a strong uptrend since January of 2023, and we expect that to continue if the market conditions continue as well. So we have this low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We're looking for a higher high being developed. We might get stuck up in this zone still and then try to break this down a bit. But what we're looking for is the breakout of the inverse head and shoulders, a retest, and then a continuation run, right? So overall, the setup here is very, very clean. There's really, I want to keep it plain and simple. Weekly time frame, we have this strong base that was set up right around this range, okay? So we could use this square box, clean base setup. And after we test that a bunch as support, we break up, create a higher low in this range right here, right around $16, right? We had that massive earnings. I believe that was on earnings, right? We had a massive earnings jump, and now watching the stock consolidate post earnings has given us a pretty bullish consolidation. So what we're looking at here is another higher low being developed in some sort of a cup pattern. And what's next, what we're anticipating is that we're going to get this continuation move, probably somewhere into the $30 to $35 range before we come back and retest that zone. That's my eyes here on Palantir Technologies. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vid and hope that was valuable on your end. Peace, guys.